Hi guys, welcome to KG Live. I got a shift as a pizza chef at a place where they needed someone and wanted to share my experience. It was very nice place, very cozy and lovely stuff. Actually, everything was great. I had amazing time. Never did pizza before, so that was challenging for me and I was a little bit nervous. I was lucky that one of the seniors had the patient and was very kind with me to explain everything. I should say that the pizza was already half made, as the dough was ready to go and you just have to add the toppings. I know, I was disappointed as well, but it was good first experience and I don't regret. At the end, I had the menu and I needed just to follow the recipes. After a few positive comments from my first 5-10 pizzas, in the beginning it was all down to me and my performance. I must say, I did burn 1-2 pizzas in the beginning. But hey, we live, we learn. I did ask her for advice and the lovely chef gave me some tips how to twist and angle and where to possess when it's busy or not. Overall, I did around 100 pizzas that day. In the beginning, I was able to make 2 pizzas at a time. When the rush came, I did not have any other options to increase that number. So I did try with 5 pizzas at the time, and it was tough. You have to know that I was making them in the same time, and every 20-30 seconds you need to move around the pizzas in the oven. Overall, amazing experience. I hope you enjoyed that video and see you in the next one. Have a good one. Cheers.